Welcome to this quick guide on how to use Blockbench, the ultimate 3D modeling tool for Minecraft and beyond. Let's get started. Blockbench is a free 3D modeling tool, perfect for creating custom Minecraft models, animations, and textures. First, download it from blockbench.net and open it up. To begin, click on File and choose New Model. Select the project type, Minecraft Java, Bedrock, or something else. For this tutorial, we'll go with Minecraft Java. Use the toolbar on the left to add cubes. Adjust the size and position using the controls on the right. The grid helps you align everything perfectly. Now, let's add some color. Switch to the Paint tab, select a color, and start painting directly on the model. You can even import texture files for detailed designs. Once your model is ready, export it by going to File, Export, Export as JSON. This file is compatible with Minecraft or other platforms you choose. And that's it. You've created your first model in Blockbench. Keep experimenting and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.